What's up, guys? Welcome back to Nil Built. Today, or I say this evening, we're gonna be working on the bug. What we're gonna be doing to the bug is we're gonna make a back bumper. That way I can tow stuff. Excuse my weld machine. I have no place to properly store that and weld. So we got it on a mobile cart. It's an antique. So we are always welding on the go. Anyways, back to this. We have some T-bars that I bought for the bug. Now I was just wanting to use the plates off of them because I wanted to build a bumper. That's what we're going to do. We're going to use this 1-inch square tubing. I'm going to measure it, cut it in half, double it up, put it on there, get everything tacked up, welded, yada yada yada. Then come back with this hitch deal that I got from Tractor Supply for a lawnmower. Should work good, but we're just pulling a small trailer. I didn't want to use a ball, so show you that. We got the pin. With this, I'm probably going to cut this. I don't want it to be like that, you know, that much slack going in. So what I'm probably going to do is something like this. Keep it even and short. That way it'll just fit over top of that, top and bottom. Pin, and I come through, drill another hole. That way it won't be too much slack going in and out. So we're gonna do that, build a trailer. Gonna be out of the same thing, 1-inch square tubing. On the inside, I'm gonna do 3/4. Now I got more than this, so I just wanted to figure out what I was gonna do with the back bumper. And we'll get to that in another episode of building a trailer. That way we can all go karts and stuff. And so yeah, we're gonna put this in a time lapse because we are running out of daylight and the sun's going down quick. Got about an hour and a half. So yeah, we can put this in a time lapse, get everything up and going, measured, and get everything tacked in place. That way I can move this again back onto the carport. I'm at the back porch and get out of the weather. And let me move around, swing around. This is it. We got it tacked up. You can see brackets. I got the hitch tacked on, and of course the dogs bark. Say hello to the camera. Penny, Samson, of course Mulan, big baby. So yeah, we got that all in place. I kind of gave us, got some tails left. Quit, move. Don't move. Put a little gap in it all the way across. Kind of looks pretty good. We're gonna take it off, weld it all up. I need to get some paint. We're gonna paint it black, kind of distress it a little bit. It looks good. We're gonna cap the ends too. But I'm kind of glad it kind of ain't sticking out too far. I'm kind of glad it's short. So that worked out perfect. 6-foot stick. Cut it in half, 3 feet. So now we're going to take it off, weld it up, and that might be it for today. Tomorrow we'll come back and paint it up and all that good stuff. So okay, so got welded what we could. We have ran into an issue. I got it ran to 115 volt right now. It swaps out 115, 220. But I guess being on a long cord, this heavy duty cord, it tripped the breakers and it wouldn't weld right. But you gotta do what you gotta do. If someone wants to give me a shot, I would love that. Got welded what we could. It didn't weld the greatest because it was cutting out. It's still hot. So you can see welded that side there, and came back and welded that, and then on the bottom just a little bit. Come back, clean the welds up, and I'm gonna bring the weld machine back to the actual plug itself instead of running it off a stitching cord. I just brought it over here so we can mock everything up on the bug. Back bumper looks good. But yeah, we'll put it back over. Hello, Momo. Put it back over under the back porch by the plug itself, and we'll finish up some welding. Just say, Momo. She wants to go ride in the bug. See, I got it there, and there. I still got to do the caps on the 4 ends, and probably gonna put a straight run underneath the bottom, clean that black paint up, and then in the middle I will do, I think, 5 spots, kind of section them out, and that'll be it for that. So yeah, tomorrow I will put a updated, well, tomorrow we'll come back and get everything done, paint it and slapped on the bug, see how that looks. So stay tuned for tomorrow. Okay, so now we finished all the welding, got everything looking all right. Show you now, we got the ends capped off and welded all the way around fully. Went ahead and welded all that out, kind of went a little overboard with the welding. Capped the end on this side as well, cleaned it up, and then I went in and put 5 little stitch welds right there. So all in all, she is done and complete, minus the paint. So we got to go to the hardware store and get some paint. We're going to get some black and some clear, and then that'll be it. And then on to the bug itself. So yeah, once we paint it, clear it, ready to put on the bug, and that'll be it. Mulan has paint, high performance enamel, pretty good. I like it. Gives off a good black. So we are going to hurry up and paint that before the sun goes down. So let's get to it. Okay, so we have it painted. You can see it turned out pretty good. Let that dry a little bit, and then we'll come back and clear it and probably throw it on the car. Just depends on the sun and if it dries quick enough, but it's painted, so it turned out pretty good. Okay, new day. It is time to install the bumper. Kind of put a little more paint on it. It should be good. I'm gonna show you what I did. I couldn't really sleep on it, but I welded some gussets to the brackets themselves. That way it just won't be a straight pull from the brackets. I added some gussets on the sides, on the inner sides. They look pretty good. So now I'm gonna put it on there and see how she looks. What are you doing, Momo? Sunbathing. All right, this is it. The bumper is on. And I kind of dig it. Now, it probably won't stay black forever like that. I'm probably just gonna sand it down, probably do a patina deal on it. But I kind of did it black that way to match the wheels, because the wheels are black. May come back later and probably color match it with the car, kind of blend it in, but that's her. That's how you build a bumper for your Volkswagen Bug. It kind of looks crooked because the way the car is leaning on the hill, but I looked at it 3 or 4 times and it looks pretty level with the car. So yeah, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe, and thank y'all for tuning in and watching this little episode of how to build a bumper for your VW Bug. We're gonna have a lot more coming with this car in the future, so just tag along with us, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank y'all.